Hi all, let's have a look at this question. Here, a set of geometries are given. We need to find which of the following set is not a convex set. For that, they have given one definition here, which physically states that if we consider 2 points on the boundaries of the geometry or within the geometry and try to connect it with a straight line, it should not cross the boundaries of the given geometry, or else the straight line should stay within the geometry, or at max it can be on boundaries of the geometry. It should not cross the boundaries of the given geometries. Now let's consider one by one here. Let's take the first geometry. If we take 2 points, let's say this is one point and this is another point, which are on the boundaries of the geometry, and now let's try to connect it with a straight line. The straight line should be a single line. Okay, here I am trying to connect it. If I try to connect it, the line is not in the given geometry, it is crossing the boundaries of the geometry, so this is not a convex set. It's not a convex set. Now let's consider the other figure. You can consider any point in the geometry or on the boundaries of the geometry. You can connect it with a straight line which mostly falls within the geometry, or at max it coincides with the boundaries of the geometry, but it doesn't cross the geometry. It doesn't cross the boundaries of the geometry. You can consider any 2 points. Let's say here one point and here one. You can connect it with a straight line, or else you can consider one point here and another point here. The line falls in the geometry itself. You can consider any 2 points, here one point and here, like all the lines falls within the geometry, so this is a convex set. Similarly, for other two geometries also, wherever you consider 2 points, either on the boundaries of the geometry or else within the geometry, the connecting line lies within the geometry, so these two are also convex sets. You can just try considering any 2 points on the boundaries of the geometry or within the geometry. The connecting line always stays on the boundaries of the geometry or within the geometry. So the correct answer is option A.